Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this raining glass effect to your videos on CapCut PC. Select any video you want and go to effects, type in rain, select rainy season, and you're just going to add that. Go to the effects here and adjust the atmosphere a little bit and add in some blur to it. You can remove the filters a little bit too and make it a little bit slower like this. You can also use rainy season 2 for it. I think it's a better effect. I'm just going to change the speed a little, and I'm just gonna blur it out a little bit here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.